Hello friends, today we're playing a sorting game. And how we're going to play our sorting game? We're going to use race cars for that, okay? So the first attribute, the first thing that we're going to be looking for in our race cars is the color, okay? So let's start with our race car number 1. This is a fire truck. What color it is?
Red.
Red. So let's chart. Our first one is red. The next one is a truck. What color is this truck?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's mark yellow. The next one is a race car. And what color it is? Yellow. Let's mark yellow. The next one is a race car. And what color do we have mostly? We see a little bit of yellow, but it's mostly red. So let's chart red. Here we have another race car, and it's a blue race car. Our next one is also mostly blue. Let's look at this one. This has a lot of letters, but it's mostly red. So let's mark the red. This other race car is mostly, what color you see there? Red. Then we have a Darth Vader race car, and it's really dark. What color it is? Black. Our next one is a orange race car. And our last car, is a Batman car. And it's a black car. All right. So now we know how many of each color we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 reds. Do we have any greens? Or we don't have any greens? We don't have any greens. We have 1, 2 blacks. We have 1, 2 yellows. We have 1 and 2 blues. And we have 1 orange card, right? So we sort our cards by looking at the color. So now I'm gonna use this marker to put the numbers next to those lines, okay? So we said we have 4 reds. We said we have 0 greens. We have 2 blacks, 2 yellows, 2 blues, and 1 orange. All right, now we're going to be looking at which of our cards have letters on it, all right? So let's look at our fire truck. Our fire truck has a little bit of, doesn't have any letters on it. So we're gonna put it on the side. Let's look at our truck. Our truck doesn't have any letters on it. So let's put it on the side. Now this yellow one, these have letters on it. It says Dollar General. So we have 1 with letters. Can we mark that? Let's look at the next one. Oh, this one has letters too. It says Hot Wheels. Can you mark that one too? Oh, this one right here has, let's see if we can see it here. It has letters right there. Can we mark that one? This blue one doesn't have, it has lines on the side but doesn't have any letters on it. This red one right here, it has letters too. So these, let's look at this guy, and this doesn't have any letters on it, so doesn't count. The Darth Vader card, let's look at it. Do you see any letters? No, it doesn't have any letters. Let's look at our orange truck. He has some lines on the side, but doesn't have any letters. And the last one is our Batman car. It's all dark, but it doesn't have any letters, okay? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars that have letters on it. So I'm gonna write the number 4 next to those lines. Now, let's look at how many cars have numbers on them, okay? So let's start with our fire truck again. our fire truck has a line, but does not have any numbers. Our truck doesn't have any numbers. Our yellow race car does have numbers. It's a big number. It's the number 20. Can you mark that one? This red car has numbers right there. So can you mark this one? Is the number 156. That's a really big number. This one doesn't have any. This blue one doesn't have any numbers. Let's look at this friend. This guy doesn't have any numbers. Let's look at this car right here. This red one has a number 10. So can we mark this? This car, 10. And Darth Vader doesn't have any numbers. And we know the orange one also doesn't have any numbers on it. And let's look for our last car, the Batman one. It doesn't have any numbers on it. Okay, so can we mark? We have, let's count how many cars do we have that have numbers on it. 1, 2, and 3. Let me write the number 3 next to those lines. Now our last idea will be to look how many of them are cars and how many of them are trucks. So we know, for instance, that we have a fire truck and a pickup truck. So we have 2 that are trucks. Can you mark that, Rafa? Trucks. So now let's see how many cars do we have. No trucks, because we already said that we have a fire truck and a pickup truck. Let's see how many cars, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have a total of 9 cars. I'm going to use my red marker to write the number 9 right here. And how many trucks did we say, Rafa?
2.
2. So we're going to write the number 2 next to it. So now we are going to play with some of them and then see which one is faster. Rafa is going to pick 1 car and I will pick 1 car, and we're going to see which car goes faster. Let's see who wins. Okay, Rafa, pick your car. Can you show us which car you picked? So you pick the red car that has letters on it. I will pick the black car that looks like Darth Vader, the villain. Okay, so are you ready to race, Rafa? I'm gonna put my car here. Let's see who goes farther or who wins the race. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, which car went farther? That's the red one or the black one? The red one. So Rafa, your car won. You get to keep it. Now pick a different one. All right, show it to the friends. You pick another red car that has letters, and I pick this blue car that also has letters on the side. Let's see which one wins, okay? All right. Ready? 1,
Wait.
2, 3, go. Oh, and which one went farther? The red one. So Rafa won again. Rafa, you picked the cars that are the winners, the 2 red cars. All right, friends, thank you for playing with us. So if you have any toys or ideas that you can use and see what color they are and count how many of them you have, you can do that too. All right. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.